Hi traders, thanks for joining me. It's the 18th of January. Just want to show you a couple of charts. Euro US dollar daily on the right, weekly on the left. You can just see how this weekly bar, all it's done last week is move right up to the 50 MA, and here we are just sitting very nicely, just consolidating above this trendline breakout here on the 50 MA. So we've got major resistance at 135. But if we do break up here in the weekly, then I would look for in the region of 137 if we can break up here. So I'm still in this, still holding. Bought a pullback back here on Friday, so just looking to see if we can move out and get above 135 in the Euro US. If you are not in this, a pullback, a breakout of 133.86 could be good on the basis that you would only have to have a stop at 132.35. So it's a relatively close stop. Does that fit your trading plan criteria? Don't take it if it doesn't. Just a quick word about this dollar. It is holding up here. I've had 3 days now with open closes above this 79 level. The 8 and the 20 are moving across, so this could easily just be a consolidation before we see a further drop, particularly based on this daily bar. But just a word of caution that unless we see a close below this 79 level, we could see a possible move to the upside if we can get up above 80 on this dollar. Just a quick look over this dashboard of mine for equities. The thing that really strikes me about this is the chip manufacturers index up here, SMH, and the Nasdaq here, very, very strong. So financials and transports and banks fairly flat on the day, but noticeable that the chip manufacturers are very strong. So this Nasdaq is still leading the markets. Still long rim. I bought it just on a break of 59.40 area. To be honest, I've been happy getting in at 58.93, but saw it a day later. Weekly looks good. Target at least 68. Liking the Aussie US dollar. Would have preferred a slightly better close than this. But I've had 2 days above the 50 MA. Weekly is a nice stopping bar, so looking tomorrow to try and get long about 99.60 with a stop at 98.55. Still long this one, New Zealand US. Got inflation figures coming out tomorrow. I'm long from a break of 75.94. Looking to see if we can break up through here. Pretty poor action today, but I guess we're just pausing until the inflation data comes out. If you're not in it, I suggest you wait and see if we get a break above this trendline resistance, and then pull back to this area here would be another opportunity to get long if we get it. This pound versus US dollar was incredible today. We've got a 50-60 point gap up on much higher than expected inflation data. This could be short-term finished. So we opened and closed above this area here. We are getting a little extended up here. It's a little bit of a shooting star. Let's have a look, see if it's a gap to the 8. Yeah, it is quite a gap to the 8, so we are very extended up here. Nice weekly. I think at some stage in the near future we might want to come down and retest 57.50, particularly with that dollar index just hovering above support there. Any sort of move back up through 80 in the dollar index could easily bring this back down to at least retest that 57.85. So if you're a day trader, just be very, very careful with this one at the moment as it holds the high. Hope that helps. Catch up with you soon. Thanks.